Hey guys, thank you so much for requesting this video. You guys have been asking me on how to do this loose hair bun style with curtain bangs on my TikTok and Instagram. Let me tell you, like every time I do this hairstyle with the techniques that I'm going to be showing you in this video, it's not going to be the same exact loose hair bun style as my last video that I posted, because it's just really depends on like the state of my hair and how my hair is feeling, I guess. And I love how it gives me that classic look, but flirtatious at the same time, which is why I was like, let me post this in February. It's the month of love. We all want to try to get flirty this month, you know what I'm saying? No, I'm kidding, like I'm so boring. But at the same time, it's pretty effortless and like I didn't try too hard. But I definitely need like at least 30 minutes to get this look. So yeah, if you guys are interested on how I created this loose hair bun style with my curtain bangs, please keep watching. All right, so first I take a really big rod. I think this is 1.5 inches. This is from Helen of Troy. And I typically just like to curl the ends when I'm doing this. So I'll start off right at the bottom. And now what I'm doing is just straightening it out. And then I'm gonna start curling it in. I typically love to use the Art Formation Spray by Kenra. This is one of my favorite ones to hold the style without feeling pretty thick. This isn't way down the hair, but it holds the hairstyle very well. As you can tell, I haven't curled these bangs yet because I'm leaving them to the very end. And I like to curl them when my hair is fully done, because there's a certain way that I like to style them for my loose hair bun looks. And I'm just going to continue to loosely curl the rest of my hair and apply hairspray. Alright, now for the bangs, I like to take them all and then curl them backwards. So that way they drape away from my face when I do the style. So as you can tell, it's already draping really nice. Right, so now everything's all curled and nice. I'm gonna spray one more time. One more time, like that was a weird accent, just to make sure that the curls stay nice in place. Every time I do this hairstyle, it always ends up being different. Like I can't get the same exact loose bun hairstyle, but I can get somewhat of a loose bun hairstyle that I like. What I like to typically do is take a scrunchie like this, then I kind of just loosen everything at the root, make sure that I have some nice flexibility, if that makes sense. And then I kind of lightly bring everything up. Let me scoot down a little bit for you guys. Okay, so I brought everything up, right? And when I'm here, I just kind of lightly brush with my fingers, make sure there's no lumps. I mean, I don't mind the lumps, but as long as they're not frizzy or sticking out too much. But I typically like it to be loose here and at the bottom here. These are framed already nicely. Whatever is coming out naturally, I'll leave out. So I'll do the same thing here to balance everything. Okay, so now I just take the scrunchie and do a half bun. And I wrap it twice. That looks a little weird, I know. Twirl it around. And then that's where these bobby pins come in for me. I wish it was that easy where I can just do it with the scrunchie, but I kind of have to use these open bobby pins. If you can tell, they're not closed. They're more, I don't know what they're called. I used to be a hairstylist and I don't even know what these are called. But anyway, so what I like to do is I'll like start to pin certain things down until I like it. So like for example right here, I don't really like this gap. I take this and pin it down like as if it's connected to my hair. And then over time it does loosen up very nicely. Balance it out as well. So like right here, I don't like how this is sticking up. Pin this down in the back. Pull from the back here as well, because I don't really like it to be super tight. I like it to be a little bit loose. It's very effortless and cute for a romantic vibe. I mean, sometimes I'll...
Sorry, I couldn't quite hear you. Could you please repeat what you said?
I didn't ask you, Mr. UK Siri man. All this is kind of straggly. I'll take the curling iron and recurl everything. So this straggly just came out right now, and I'll just pretty much leave it because it gives it more of a effortless vibe, like I didn't try too hard, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's pretty much how I do this loose bun hairstyle. It's been really easy to do it because I have the curtain bangs, and I think that is pretty much the key look for something like this, because everything can be kind of loose and messy here, but when you have the smooth curtain bangs on the side, they make everything look more put together and give it more of like a classic touch to it. So that's how I've been wearing my loose bun hairstyles. They're not the same every single time because it's kind of like how my natural hair is going to hold up when I do it. I can't get the same exact hair bun style that I did, for example, on my Instagram a couple of weeks ago, but this is the same exact technique that I do, and I find that with my type of hair it does a lot better when I curl it before and then put it up in a high bun. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and if you do try it, also do let me know. I hope it inspired you guys, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.
Don't deny that.